All right, it's that time again. Snack Crate. Today it's from Turkey.
Interesting.
All right, we're going to give this a shot. Kubooks crackers. We have two flavors.
Ooh.
Light and crunchy biscuit sticks dusted in savory cheese or paprika flavors.
Interesting.
So this one says spicy.
Ooh. At least they're not childproof. Remember the ones we couldn't even open?
Or it's our first thing.
Alright, here we go.
Kitchen.
They don't have a...
Squishy to it.
Oh, there's the flavor.
After
like-
you chew it.
It tastes like a breadstick.
Yeah.
I know hard though. It's gross. One.
This one says stick cracker with cheese.
Let's see if she gives me the big one.
They're kind of blah.
Yeah, I don't feel like they have a lot of flavor.
Yeah.
No little cheese flavor, but not.
But not like a...
Okay. Our next thing is a cat. You want to find it in there?
Mm-hmm.
It's a light puff pastry. Surrounds a delicious hazelnut filling. A delightful afternoon pick-me-up.
Hazelnut is Nutella. Yum.
Don't break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar.
Oh, okay.
Interesting, right?
It's like crumbling apart here, guys. You can see it.
No, we weren't lying about it being light and fluffy, huh?
Okay, here we go.
Not bad.
Mm-mm.
I'm not...
Too good, not too bad.
Okay. Yep. El Benny bar. It's a sweet biscuit and creamy caramel coated in milk chocolate, standing as Turkey's most
That's-
beloved chocolate bar. Gotta say, their stuff doesn't seem so,
Good?
It doesn't seem so weird.
yeah.
Like outlandish. Okay, here we go. No, I don't know. No.
Yeah, and coconut.
Yeah. Oh, like.
Oh, it's coconut. Okay. A pop cake. Pop cake.
Okay.
And the next thing is Tayas, the mala. Okay. Sweet sponge cake filled with rich cream and then dipped in milk chocolate. Enjoy with either banana or cocoa flavors. And this is cocoa flavored.
You know, everyone thinks that chocolate is the best route to go, apparently.
Ooh.
Interesting.
Oh.
Okay. Alright. Know what this tastes like? A ho-ho. But you can have that back.
That's pretty good.
It's...
Cooper, get out of here.
Yep, this one she always exaggerates that she dislikes chocolate so much. But I can guarantee if I have chocolate in this house, first thing she's going to do when she walks in is grab that chocolate.
As I muster it down.
Yeah, you muster it down. Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's the taste of pure chocolate I don't like. What's my
Cadbury mini eggs. They're pure chocolate. And she will pop those bad boys in her mouth like there is no tomorrow. Don't deny it.
I can't deny it.
Tea's Damla, delicious chewy candies that feature a variety of fruit flavors like apple, cherry, strawberry, raspberry, and orange.
So we got raspberry, apple, orange, and peach.
I want raspberry.
Well, great. I guess I'm going peach.
I want to know if you do the bars.
Get them down here. Ooh,
Okay. They're chewy.
they're white.
Wanna try one?
Ella, where did my scissors go?
Interesting.
They were out there.
This orange one tastes like
Never touched them.
your grandmother's candy that just like that old candy,
I did put them there.
but like it's delicious.
Oh, it's good.
Grab the milk, please.
But there's like a filling. Look.
Mm. No, mine's clear. Hers are orange. If you can see.
I like that. That's actually good.
I'll finish that later.
I'm finishing mine
Okay.
now.
Addicto chocolate. The milk chocolate stick filled with crushed nuts for a mix of salty and sweet in every bite. Enjoy either pistachio or hazelnut.
Hazelnut.
Hazelnut. I was hoping for hazelnut. I'm not huge on pistachio.
I'm not huge on hazelnut either, but
Well, no, but it's got lots of nuts in it.
I'm just about that.
Not a fan.
Nope.
Okay, now we're going with the Edie Pizza Cracker. Edie Pizza Cracker.
No, seems interesting.
Bite-sized crunchy crackers filled with zesty pizza-flavored spices. These are an in-house favorite. Oh, well, yeah, you get to try them. I like those.
I like
Those
like
are good.
a pizza.
That's how you base it. It's
Try this, Olivia.
You'll like that, Olivia.
Okay.
It takes 3 days, Olivia. 3 days.
I like that.
Those pizza things are pizza crackers are good. A Biz Cream Cocoa, a sweet and crunchy cookie filled with rich chocolate cream, a classic Turkish dessert.
Olivia, honey, will you grab me a glass of water? Thank you, love. Aren't those delicious? Oh my god.
I'm gonna have to fight my daughter for them.
Yeah.
Yeah, put them back, girl.
Back off, Peanut.
Oh, okay. So I'm assuming they're filled.
Oh.
Here, Ella, try this one. I'm sorry, this pop cake thingy. That's
It
good.
tastes like a ho-ho.
That's good.
Kind of tastes like a chocolate chip cookie.
Mm-hmm.
Like that kind of flavor. Not bad. Not bad, not bad.
It reminds me of those. What were they? Shaped as little. The bears with the filling.
The Teddy Graham,
Yeah, like a Teddy Graham.
but they were filled.
They were filled. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what that tastes like. Ooh, we're working our way down. Cremini toffee. A fruity twist on your favorite classic topping. Enjoy these fruit chews in a mouth-watering strawberry flavor. Oh, yeah.
This is what I was.
So it's
looking
going to be
for.
like a Starburst, I'm
Almost,
assuming.
yeah.
Oh, looks like a Starburst.
But lighter.
Mmm. These are good.
Wow.
Mmm. You want to try one? Mmm.
Tastes like a pink Starburst.
Right? But like almost better.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, she hates pink Starburst.
It's got lots of flavor.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna shoe in with that one.
Babito watermelon. These fun and flavorful gummy candies are shaped like slices of fruity watermelon and taste just like it too. Mmm. I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with Turkey's
Yeah.
snack crate.
Ooh. Smell that though. What does that remind you of?
All I can smell is that oil I rubbed on here now.
Maybe that's what I'm smelling.
It smells like nail polish.
Yeah. I don't know. Kind of tastes like nail polish remover.
You've eaten nail polish remover?
No, it tastes like watermelon bubblicious.
Mm. Yep, that's probably a better way to
It
describe
does.
it.
If
Mm.
you're a kid from my age,
Mm.
watermelon bubblicious.
Delicious. Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. Coconut. Layers of crispy wafer sandwiched together with chocolate cream and then dipped in rich milk chocolate.
That was like
This is our last.
a little bit of a sour taste to that.
Yep, got a little sour on the end there.
Yep.
And so this is going to be really
Interesting.
and see the layers of wafer. Okay. Should be interesting after the watermelon
Yeah.
and the strawberry. I got done.
Wants to go. Wants to say hi.
Tastes like that peanut thing.
Eat some of the Starburst thing. Wow. Wants to say hi to them.
Mm. I mean, not bad, but not for me.
Gotta say, good job, Turkey.
Mm-hmm.
You got some pretty good snacks.
Right?
Now I kind of wish we went upgraded.
Yeah. Oh, we got rid of like tropical. Oh, except for that.
Yeah, that one's all coconut.
Whatever this
Coconut.
fluffy
A crunchy
marshmallow-
biscuit, fluffy marshmallow covered with generously covered with sprinkles.
Interesting.
Would have been kind of cool, but
Mhm.
it's okay. I'm happy with what we
Yeah.
got.
Oh, but that taste though.
So, check with us in about a month for next month's snack crate.